Hello, Cajon Valley students and families. My name is Mrs. Avignoni, and I am the library tech at Anza and Blossom Valley Elementary Schools. This school year is going to look a bit different, but we at Cajon Valley are committed to ensuring that all of our students have access to a high-quality education while keeping them safe and healthy. In order to accomplish this, I'm going to teach you how to use a program called Destiny so that you can order books from your school's library. Okay, let's get started. You're going to begin at the Hello ID login page where you enter your student ID number and your unique password. Then you move on down here and you're just going to click login, at which point you will be redirected to the Hello ID application page. Now everyone's application page is going to look different depending on what site you're on, but because all your schools use different programs. But everyone's page is going to have Full at Destiny. It's right here. It's the one with the tree. And if you star that, you can make it easier to find if you go up into favorites. So go ahead and click on Full at Destiny. And this brings you to our Cajon Valley district page. This lists all the schools in our district. So we've got our elementary schools here and our middle schools over here. So find your school. It's in alphabetical order. So if you think through the ABCs, you'll be able to find your school faster. Blossom Valley. Now at this point, you can search your school catalog if you want to. You can look up Maniac McGee, and that will bring you and let you know if the book is in. However, you're not logged in, so you won't be able to put it on hold. If you would like to put a book on hold, come up into this corner where it says Log In, click there. That brings you to this page where it gives you two options. It gives you the option to log in using Hello ID, which is what we're going to do, or to use a Destiny account. We're going to click on Cajon Valley Hello ID, and that will redirect us to the Destiny Discover page. I like Destiny Discover because it's a nice visual catalog. You can see the cover of the book that you're looking at really clearly. When you click on it, it will give you a short description of the book, and it's just very visually appealing. Okay, this book is out, so we're not going to choose that one today. If you scroll down, you'll see books that are popular. Some of them are in, some of them are out. And down here, you can go to topics. You have the option of searching just by topic. So if you like graphic novels, you can click that, and all of the graphic novels in your school's collection will come up. If you like animal stories, you can click there. Historical fiction, scary stories, mystery. Let's try a mystery book and see what comes up. Okay, Encyclopedia Brown, that's a good one. A to Z Mysteries, Rin Tin Tin, that actually also happens to be a graphic novel. More Encyclopedia Brown, Boxcar Children. So there's lots of options here. And if you see an out, that means the book is checked out and it's not available right now. You can filter this page by going to Availability and clicking on In. And now the only books that come up in your search are the books that are available for checkout right now. So let's just choose one. Let's choose King and Kayla and the Case of the Mysterious Mouse. At this point, you click on hold. You'll get a notification at the bottom that it's available and you can pick it up at any time. Okay, so if you choose a book to put on hold and then right afterwards see, oh, I would rather have Nate the Great and the Lost List, just a different book, you can go over to this corner right here and view your holds. And if you decide you want something else, you can click on that book again and unhold it. Now you don't have any books on hold and you'll be able to go back to Discover and continue browsing. And that's it. You now know how to use your school's online catalog to search for and request books. Now, how you get those books will vary, but your school site will communicate with you how to pick up your requested books. Stay safe, everyone, and keep reading.